Precision, speed, quality. These are what Yutaka Electronics is known for as a trusted expert in robotic production line building, whether for automotive original equipment manufacturers or aerospace and defense firms.
Our company was founded in 1964, based on mechatronics technology. In 1979, we were among the first in Japan to enter the industrial robot system field, and we've been active as a total system integrator ever since.
Yutaka now does virtual commissioning on the 3D Experience platform on the cloud to test and verify the components of its customers' robotic production lines before actual line building. The platform allows Yutaka to pre-verify feasibility and assess the appropriate takt time. This reduced physical testing and shortened prototyping lead times by 50%.
Before, robot simulations only included robot movements, but now we can also monitor actuator movements, and in this case, AGV, autonomous guided vehicle movements.
It is a great advantage to be able to see the movement so easily in 3D and virtually.
With the cloud-based 3D Experience platform, Yutaka can share data with customers for fast and easy collaboration.
As a system integrator, we can combine the latest technologies from around the world to provide added value that doesn't exist elsewhere. We aim to continue doing this in the future.